Hi everyone, my name is piterpakulski. Today we'll continue creation of financial model of a subscription project, and today we'll be talking about financing of your business idea. If you find this video valuable, as usual, you may give us a like, subscribe, you can write a comment. Also, you can order a financial model from scratch for your unique business idea. And today we'll be talking about financing, how much money you need to start the business. So first of all, to answer this question you have to build the cash flow statement, because without this statement you are not able to start anything. You need to know the result from operating activity, you need to know the result from investment activity. You can't start calculating the financing without these basic things. So to cook financing, we need the last line of the cash flow statement, cash balance at the end of the period. So the basic rule is that the cash balance at the end of the period must always be zero or positive. If it is negative, like here, this means that we need additional financing. It doesn't matter whether it will be your money or bank loan or investor. So you have to add a financing to your business idea. So the first version of how to calculate the financing is a manual way. So we just go to, for example, if we have only the money from your pocket, we can just look at the last line of cash flow statement and took this value, if it is negative, with the opposite sign and put it here. So like this. So we don't need financing here. We see here negative value, so we do the same. Then we have negative value here. And we travel to the right to the timeline of our business idea. Look at these values. For example, we can look at the maximum value of this cash gap, and let's say we can do it. So looking at the timeline, we see that during this period we don't need additional financing. Then we go here. Look at the last line. Here we see 2 million, 2.2, 2.26, 2.2. So let's just type here. So here we have a small cash gap, like the maximum value is $173,000. So if we type here 174000, we will avoid cash gap. And since this moment, our business idea starts generating its own cash, and we start getting our financing back. And now we can go to the right, to the end of timeline, create a total. So also you can copy this total and to use the total also for a loan. For example, we can also use add a loan here. For example, we have a mixture of financing. For example, we take on February 2022. We take 2 million loan. This is the interest rate, this is the term of the loan. We don't have grace periods for principal payments and for interest payments. Here we need our own financing. Then we move to the right as usual. Here we also see some cash gap. We can add, for example, 1.6, 1.7, 2 million. Let's say we have 2.3 million. And here we need additional, what is the maximum value? 221. Yeah. So now we can go to the right, to the end of our timeline, and see how much financing we need, our own funds and loan. We can create a simple table. Financing, we will call it financing. Financing needed, equity, loan, total. So we can put the values from the end of the timeline. So this is the manual story how we can calculate the amount of financing, but we can also try to automate the way we calculate the financing of your business idea. So how can we do that? Let's just copy the timeline. Let's call it financing. So what we will do, we will take the end of the result from operating activity plus financing plus loan minus principal payments minus interest payments. Then we extrapolate to the right. Then we create the cumulative story of this formula. Extrapolate this to the right. Then I will find the minimum value inside this line. Then I will go here at the beginning of the timeline, put here minus and take this value that you already calculated with an opposite sign. So if I put here this value, we can go to the timeline, see mathematical zero, and then the project starts generating its own cash. For example, if I want to change the ratio between my own financing and the loan, for example, I want to take the total financing is 4.6. For example, I want to have a loan around 4 million. So this is my loan. So here is the loan. I will need 1.8 million of my financing. I can go to the cash flow statement. So this is the moment when the project starts generating its own cash. For example, if I want to minimize the loan, for example, I just want to take 200,000 loan, I will have another ratio of financing. I can go to the cash flow statement, find the point with mathematical zero, and I can easily play with different scenarios of the development of my business idea. So there are two ways of calculating the amount of financing. One is manual, the second one is more automized. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video was valuable for you, you may give us a like, subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends. You can write a comment, or you can order financial model from scratch for your unique business idea. We can help you with that. So see you next videos. Thank you and bye.